Okay, today we will talk about the Paget's classification for the cognitive development. It is roughly divided into four stages like sensory motor, pre-operational thoughts, or concrete operation, or formal operations. So the major differentiation between all the four classes are as follows. Like sensory motor stage, it lasts about 2 years. Or the prime achievement in this is the objective permanence, means that the infant can think of the things that are out of the sight as a permanent things, and can think about the objects without having to see them directly. Uh, Pre-operational thoughts are a little more uh, development stage of sensory motor. It lasts about 2 to 7 years of the age, and the language development facilitate these changes. The thought pattern is not well developed. That is, it also being egocentric. Uh, Person cannot think others point of view, or inflexible. It is inflexible, or typically the child in this age band is unable to understand that areas, and volumes remain some despite changes in the position and the shape. Concrete operation lasts about 7 to 11 years of the age, and this is the stage of thinking. The child is able to think logical uh, thinking. That is means that's mean there is logical reasoning. The child begins to think with logical reasoning or consider another person's point of view. This is an other achievement in the cognitive development. Assess more than one aspect of the particular situation, or the thinking is based on the concrete objects. Okay? Abstract thought are not developed in this stage. The abstract thinking is the last stage of development, that is formal operation, and it begins at the age of 11 years. Uh, and results in the development of logical abstract thinking so that the different possibilities for the action can be considered. Thank you.